Okay, um, I'm using the online compiler, alright, but actually it's the same. Okay, so I have set here the language as C language, alright, to explain this concept. Okay, so this is my code over here, very short code, alright. So I have my standard IO, alright. Then I have my main, and I have declared a variable. Okay, all right. So I've declared an integer, my num, all right, which is actually my number. But look at what I have set as the value, 007. Okay, James 1, all right, 007. So of course I can put the number 7, but I want to explain the concept, so I purposely put two leading zeros, so a 007 into a integer variable. All right, so the first thing I would like to do is I would like to see what is being kept as an integer. So I have the percentage integer over here, what is being kept as the variable, right? But I want to know whether is it keeping it as 7 without the leading zeros, the two zeros in front, or does it keep it as 007? All right, so let's run it. Okay, and the value that comes out is 7. So this first thing is to prove that despite I key in leading zeros, all right, the variable only store the value. So it actually ignore the first two zero. So 007 is actually stored as 7. Okay, then the next question I will ask myself, okay, or the queries is, how do I get the leading zeros? Well, to get the leading zero, you have to do formatting. Alright, so here I still have the percentage I, so here is a percentage, this is the I, but I want it in 4 values, alright, with leading zeros. So see the 0, 4 over here. Okay, so this is the formatting. Alright, so it says that print this my num as an integer, but in this format, right, 04 format. So I'll just run this and you can see. Okay, so it has 30 followed by a 7. Why? Because 4 number. Alright, says since 7 has only one number, okay, which is here, 7 only have one number, so it has to pad it with 3 more zeros in the front. Okay, so formatting and storage of the value are two separate things. Okay, all right. So when you think about storing value in a database, in a file, or even into a variable, it is just to store the actual value itself. Right. After you store the value, how you want to present that value is a total different story. Well, you can present it in different manner. Okay, so I hope this basically will cover a little bit about the storage of the variable, all right, as well as how it differs between formatting.